Let's draw the plus sign. And I'm doing this line little bit on left hand side. And from here I'm going to curve this one. And I will start little bit up over here. Tilt it. And I will curve or maybe straight. That's both are fine. Now from here I will do another line, kind of like alphabet Y, same size, and from here I will curve this one or straight, that's totally fine. So this one is going a little bit high. Now these lines I'm going to curve slightly, like smiley, or you can just leave it straight. This one is sad. Here I'm going to draw another line, curvy line like this one, and I will do another one next to that. And over here I can draw two circles. Here I can draw a big eye. One triangular shape over here, one over here. So not from the end, little bit in I will start, and same thing I will do here. This one I will pull little bit up. This one is little bit down, and then I'm going to curve this one. Now I'm going to draw one circle over here, one circle here, and one circle here, almost same size. Then again I will not start here, I will do a little bit gap, little bit down. I will pull it down, same thing I will do here, and then I'm going to curve this one. Again I will do one more time, and I will curve this one. I can do two circles, you can do three or one, totally up to you. And from here, just not from here, just little bit in, I will pull this one out, and I will pull this one out, and from here I will curve it. I can do double lines over here. Now from here I will pull one, I will curve, and I will make it skinnier over here. Same thing I'm going to do over here. Now I'm going to color this part. And I'm going to do small lines. And for sensor we can do one over here, or for light